Picking up the mantle, understanding its meaning and use. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, pick up the mantle. This expression is rich in history and meaning, and it's used quite frequently in both written and spoken English. So, if you've ever come across it and wondered what it truly means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, pick up the mantle, is a metaphorical expression used to describe the action of assuming a responsibility, duty, or leadership role that was previously held by someone else. Often, it implies that the person who originally held the role is no longer able to, possibly due to retirement, passing away, or moving on to different things. The mantle in this phrase symbolizes a significant responsibility or role that is being passed on. To fully appreciate the phrase, it's helpful to understand where it comes from. The word mantle originally refers to a cloak or a large piece of cloth that is worn over other clothing. Historically, mantles were significant in various cultures and could symbolize authority, status, or a specific role within a society. The metaphorical use of picking up the mantle can be traced back to several historical and biblical contexts where a mantle was literally passed from one person to another to symbolize the transfer of a role or duty. One of the most famous instances is in the Bible, where the prophet Elijah passes his mantle to Elisha, symbolizing the latter's succession as the leading prophet. Now that we understand what it means and where it comes from, let's see how to use pick up the mantle in sentences. After the founder retired, his daughter picked up the mantle and led the company to new heights. When the community leader moved away, no one was ready to pick up the mantle and continue his work. The young scientist picked up the mantle of her mentor's groundbreaking research on renewable energy. This phrase is especially powerful in contexts involving leadership, innovation, and responsibility, conveying a sense of continuity and dedication to a cause. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, origins, and use of the phrase, pick up the mantle. We hope this video has illuminated this expressive part of the English language for you and perhaps inspired you to use it in your own communications. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to convey complex ideas and emotions in just a few words. Until next time, keep exploring and enriching your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.